இருக்கிற அந்த கொஞ்ச நிமிஷத்துலயே நம்மளால டென்ஷன் ஆகுறாரு. இருக்கிற அந்த கொஞ்ச நேரத்துலயே why your mom is getting tense? You have only few hours limited. See, coming to college, going back to home, ஒரு வேலையும் பண்றது 5 மணி நேரம். வீட்டுக்கு போனது சொல்றது என்ன? டயர்டா இருக்கேன். கிளாஸ் எடுத்தியா? ஏதாவது ஒரு சாதனை பண்ணியா? ஒன்னும் 5 நேரம் பெஞ்ச்ல உட்காந்துட்டு போயிட்டு வீட்டுல டயர்டா இருக்க ஒரு வேலை சொல்லாது. Catholic mom will believe that statement, no? Mom will believe. Mom will tell அவளை டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாதன்னு சொல்றவங்க எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? காலேஜ் போயிட்டு பாவம் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாத. ஒர்க்குக்கு போயிட்டு அந்த அப்பாவுக்கு வேலை கொடுப்பாங்க. ஏன் கடி பண்ணிட்டாங்க? குழந்தை காலேஜ் போயிட்டு வந்து டயர்டா இருக்காங்க. குழந்தை காலேஜ்ல என்னமா பண்ணுச்சு? வேலைக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தாலும் நீங்க அனுப்புறீங்க. The child is not realizing what the father is doing because the fathers are not telling nowadays. See, before, எங்க அப்பா நான் சாப்பிடுறப்ப டைனிங் டேபிள்ல நைட் உட்கார்ந்தனா he will tell all the stories will be about him. How much he suffered at the age of 16 he came to Chennai. We will know the story up there. He will tell, don't ever cheat anybody, don't ever tell lies, be honest. See, that's how I had grown. Many people had helped me, and one person who had fed him when he came to Chennai without anybody. The person had a son named Jiva, and remembering her, he kept my name as Jivita. So the gratitude, he will tell, she fed me that time when I was helpless. She is equal to my mother. So what I grown up is hearing my father's story only. So in this world, before one man, I cannot sit as my father. In this generation, I won't sit before my father. I won't talk back to one person in this world as my father. It's not because of any fear, 0% fear, but 100% respect. So, it's because every father will have this story. Being a father from a richest family, don't please tell me my father doesn't have that background. To save that money, it's multiple to fear. Because it's someone's property, it's a father's property, mother's property. So many questions are going to come, so I have to work and save this. That is a burden to them. So when a mother, there are working mothers now, but still the scenario of a father is multiplied. And how many children know? They doesn't even know. There are children we face who tell, I am not talking to my father. I am not talking to my father. Imagine the pain of a father. Till now Indian fathers are cursed to numb the emotion. உலுக்கி போட்டாலும் வெளியே எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. இன்ன வரைக்கும் அவங்க முன்னேறல. என்னதான் நாடு மாறிட்டாலும், ட்ரெண்ட் ஆயிட்டாலும், மாடர்ன் ஆயிட்டாலும், till now male, especially when they adopt the role of father, அந்த numbness வந்துரும். So you cannot tell, man, my father is all right. He won't cry to you as you do always. He can't cry. He can't show the tears. He can't make scenes. Even at the time you know, they know you are going to fail you. They won't cry to you. Your mom might cry. Because that's how they are made. They numb the emotion, it's also for you. Because if they are weak, the place you are sitting will not be guaranteed for you. Where you are sitting, you cannot sit here now. It's because of your father. And the child is not knowing it. So please make your children to know the suffering you have. தயவு செஞ்சு நான் படுற கஷ்டம் என் குழந்தைக்கு தெரிய வேணாம்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. கடைசி வரைக்கும் தெரியாது. என்ன நீங்க சஃபர் பண்றீங்க? Tell them how much you suffer to earn this money, to pay this fee, to make these things possible for them. How much you suffer, make them know. Tell your stories to your child instead of Cinderella and any other princess, which is not at all realistic. தேவையே இல்லை. Now children are very plain. குழந்தை சொல்லுது, நான் பிரின்சஸ் இல்லை, எனக்கு ஷூவும் இல்லை, ஃபெதரும் இல்லை, நான் எப்படி விங்கும் இல்லை, நான் எப்படி பிரின்சஸ் ஆக முடியும்? So don't tell fancy tales at all. Tell your story. How you had grown. Even mothers, இவங்களை விட செல்லமா உங்களை வளர்த்திருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? இவங்களை விட பத்திரமா உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் பாதுகாத்திருப்பாங்க. இவங்க பேசுறதுல ஒரு வார்த்தையும் திட்டாம நீங்க வளர்ந்துருப்பீங்க. Nobody would have scolded you. Who gave the rights to you? Why you are always behind me? Nobody would have made you to feel low. But now your child is making you to do that means tell how you had grown to them. They should know how your parents parented you. உங்க அப்பா அம்மா உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்த பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் என்ன, எப்படி வளர்ந்தீங்க, எப்படி இருந்தீங்க, what dreams about life you had, and whether it's coming true or not. The child should know. Give them responsibility of making you happy. Because only the day they realize your story, they will make a decision. They should make a positive impact in your life. Because to them, their parents are very happy, their parents are comfortable, their parents doesn't even respect them, recognize them, and they believe their decisions are not important to the parent. So decision எடுத்த அப்புறம் உன்னோட decision எனக்கு important சொல்றப்போ அவளுக்கு அது புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. இத்தனை நாள் நான் உனக்கு பெருசாவே இல்லையே, you are not at all looking at me, you are not at all taking care of me. They will tell, why all of a sudden you are talking about my decision? But if you start to tell about you, yourself, the way you were, all the burdens that you face for making her to do these things and what you want her to become, she knows clearly what my parents want. They will know what their parents are. என் அப்பா இவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்காங்க, எங்க அம்மா இவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்காங்க, இதெல்லாம் என்கிட்ட எதிர்பார்க்கறாங்க, எனக்கும் சில கடமைகள் இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். When the word responsibility comes in their life, they will never fail in their decisions. So give them responsibility. Always tell them you are responsible for the decisions you make. So when a child is making decision, as I told, ask them not to be addictive, ask them to be assertive, to be kind, honest, and one major important statement you have to give them is, don't come back to me. In the decision நீ எடுத்துட்டா, don't ever come back to me. Why? Only then the responsibility will go high. They will realize this is my decision. I have to keep it going. நான் எடுத்த முடிவு நான் மட்டும்தான் பார்க்கணும்ன்றத தயவு செஞ்சு புரிய வைங்க. Should not come back to me. But the underlying secret of we parents, especially in India, is you will be there for them anyway. Keep that as a secret. Keep that as a secret. இருக்கதான் போறீங்க, ஆனா அது சொல்லாதீங்க. என்ன பண்ணாலும் நான் இருப்பேன். Please don't tell that. Why? Because even here we want to tell you about the mobile usage. Have your children told you that mobiles are not allowed in the college? Yes. So especially they should not use the mobile inside the college. Okay? Under emergency purpose they can go and call when they are near the gate alone. But அதுக்கப்புறம் யூஸ் பண்ணி மாட்டாங்களா? மாட்டாங்க. தயவு செஞ்சு கேட்டு வராதீங்க மொபைல். Why? Because they are learning they can do anything in this world. We face difficulties. Parents come, parents meet the class teacher. The child will be lethargic, cool. Ma'am, my parent came. You call the parent came. Parent will be coming next day to get the mobile. Parent அப்படி டீச்சர் கிட்ட கொடுக்கணும், ஹெச்ஓடி கிட்ட கொடுக்கணும், டீன் கிட்ட கொடுக்கணும், பிரின்சிபல் கொடுக்க முடியாது. ரூல் போட்டாச்சுன்னா அப்புறம் எல்லாரும் எதிர்பார்க்குறீங்க, பார்க்காதீங்க. Teach your child when something is no, don't do that. If you are breaking it, face the consequence. தப்பு பண்ணல, அனுபவின்னு சொல்லு. Please don't come and ask the staffs and make them feel uncomfortable. Don't ever do that. When rules are made, because you are teaching your child, whatever comes in your life, even if you are going to fail down, I will be there to save you. So do whatever you want. And dress code, சொல்லிட்டாங்களா? சொல்லியா? பெரிய பிரச்சனை. கவுன்சில் நிக்கிறாங்க, எல்லாம் கவுன்சில் கெத்தா வந்துருவாங்க. கவுன்சில் என்ன பண்ண போறோம் தெரியாது. வந்து இந்த பசங்க வாங்குற திட்டெல்லாம் நீங்க பாக்கணும். உங்க பசங்க ட்ரெஸ் ஒழுங்கா போட சொல்றதுக்கு கவுன்சில் பசங்க 14 பேரும் அவ்வளவு திட்டம் வாங்குங்க. உனக்கு வேற வேலை இல்லைன்னு கூட கேட்பாங்க. என்ன பண்றது? அதான் வேலை. See, when why the code? The code is followed in everywhere. See, our family has a custom. India has a custom. Every place has its own custom. You cannot go inside a temple with a mini skirt. It's not like feminism. Please don't ever talk whatever you want and call the name feminism under it. Feminism is actually meant for girls' rights which were not offered prior to be offered now, and not for making any other problems in the name of women. Now telling women itself become a problem. So please understand, the same code of ethics is followed in college. So this is like a responsibility. If you are dressing in home for certain organizations, certain places, likewise dress as what is needed inside the college. Dress code is very important. If at all you are witnessing some people, please don't tell certain departments wear, certain students wear. No. We are unique, we are different, our family is different. So in same way, as a student, you be the difference. You make the difference. உங்களை பார்த்து நாலு பேர் சொல்லட்டும், அந்த பொண்ணு பர்ஃபெக்ட்டா ட்ரெஸ் பண்றா, அவளை மாதிரி நான் தான் பண்றேன். See, imperfect attracts you, but it won't give you happiness. Perfect bores you, but it will make you happy forever. So hold the strictness as per the code of the college, which is very importantly we want to convey. And with the learnings, I believe it would have helped you to get some knowledge about guiding your child. ஒரு நல்ல முடிவு எடுக்கிறதுக்கு, உங்க குழந்தை பக்கத்தில் நிக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதோ சில நாலேஜ் நான் கொடுத்திருப்பேன்னு நம்புறேன். And with that, I thank you for the wonderful opportunity.